Excellent. You have reached the third section of this course, and as you have been able to find out, this is not like the normal courses you find on the internet. Definitely, I will explain where to find the resources and how to use them, but it is very important that you know all the information I have explained in the previous videos. Remember what Albert Einstein said. Madness is doing the same thing over and over again, hoping to get different results. The course was made in this way because when I started studying English, the only thing that I had was a basic computer that I bought in 2012, more or less. Also, an LG L7 phone that was quite slow, and an internet connection. It was all I needed to learn to speak English on my own in a few months, and those are the only things you will need. If you wonder what kind of computer is the best, it's enough with any computer you can use to visualize websites like YouTube, and that's it. You can find these computers with affordable prices in used electronic sales. A smartphone is also going to be very useful, since you can use it almost as a mini computer to read ebooks, watch videos, listen to audiobooks and music. Lastly, you will need the most important thing, which is the internet connection. Currently, the internet is quite accessible and the prices are cheap enough. If you already have all these, all you need to do is to make the decision to start and make a plan establishing your motivations and goals with the English language. At the end, any type of computer you use is fine. The most important thing is going to be your commitment and self-discipline to achieve it.